Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a step-by-step method to make money online using DeepSeek, a powerful AI tool that's changing the game for freelancers, digital marketers, and entrepreneurs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your online income, this strategy is for you. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the foot in the door strategy. This is all about starting small to build trust with potential clients. The idea is simple. You identify a problem that businesses are facing, offer an affordable solution, and then upsell them on bigger services later. It's one of the easiest and most effective ways for beginners to get started and land their first clients. One great way to apply this strategy is by helping businesses improve their website speed. Many business owners don't realize that Google's latest algorithm updates prioritize fast-loading sites. If a website is slow, it's losing traffic and ultimately money. This is where you come in. Using tools like Google Page Speed Insights, you can test a website's speed and identify areas that need improvement. If a site is performing poorly, you can reach out to the business owner with a friendly email that says something like, "I noticed your website is loading a bit slow, which could be hurting your Google rankings. I'd love to help optimize it for you for a one-time fee of $197. Once the business owner expresses interest, you can use DeepSeek to generate a detailed website audit report. DeepSeek can analyze speed issues, suggest technical improvements, and even generate a personalized action plan. Other tools like GTmetrix and Lighthouse can provide additional insights. Your initial service should focus on quick fixes like compressing images, minimizing CSS and JavaScript files, leveraging browser caching, and enabling lazy loading. These simple optimizations can significantly boost loading speed, providing immediate value to the client. After delivering results, it's time to upsell additional services. Since you've already built trust with the client, they will be more open to investing in further improvements. One great upsell opportunity is SEO optimization. You can use DeepSeek to analyze competitors, find high-ranking keywords, and optimize website content to improve search engine rankings. Another high-value service is AI-powered content creation. Businesses always need fresh content for blogs, social media, and advertisements, and DeepSeek can generate high-quality articles, product descriptions, and marketing copy. Beyond content creation, there are other services that can be offered. Many businesses struggle with customer engagement, so integrating AI-powered chatbots or automated email responses can add significant value. Social media management is another profitable service. Many small businesses lack the time or expertise to manage their social media presence effectively, so offering AI-generated social media posts and scheduling strategies can help them grow their audience. Once you've refined your process and successfully landed a few clients, it's time to scale your business. Automating client outreach with AI-generated emails and using freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer can help attract more clients. Building a strong portfolio and showcasing case studies of successful projects will increase credibility and make it easier to land higher-paying clients. Another great strategy is shifting from one-time services to a subscription-based model, where clients pay a monthly fee for ongoing website maintenance, SEO updates, or content creation. This ensures a steady and predictable income stream. DeepSeek is a powerful tool that can help automate tedious tasks and boost efficiency, making it easier to deliver high-quality services quickly. The key to success is starting small, building trust, and then gradually scaling your services. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first online income or an experienced freelancer aiming to grow your business, this method provides a proven way to make money online. If you're ready to take action, start applying these steps today and watch your online income grow. Once you start seeing success with this strategy, the next step is to streamline your workflow and maximize your earnings. Time is your most valuable resource, so it's important to find ways to automate repetitive tasks and optimize efficiency. DeepSeek can play a huge role in this by handling tasks like content generation, data analysis, and even crafting personalized outreach messages to potential clients. By leveraging AI, you can take on more clients without sacrificing quality, allowing your business to grow faster. As demand for your services increases, you may find it beneficial to create standard service packages. Instead of offering custom quotes for every client, you can develop three-tiered pricing options, such as a basic package for small fixes, a mid-tier package with SEO and content services, and a premium package that includes ongoing website maintenance and automation tools. This not only makes it easier for clients to choose a service, but also increases your average order value. Expanding your reach is another important step in scaling your business. If you've been reaching out to individual businesses one by one, consider using paid ads or organic social media strategies to attract more leads. A well-optimized LinkedIn profile, an engaging Twitter presence, or even a YouTube channel sharing AI and business growth tips can help establish you as an expert in your field. Writing blog posts about your success stories and the impact of AI-powered services can also drive organic traffic to your website, leading to more inbound leads. If you want to take things a step further, consider developing an online course or coaching program teaching others how to replicate your success. There are countless people looking to start an online business but unsure where to begin. And your experience with DeepSeek and AI-powered services can provide them with a roadmap. Selling digital products like AI-generated content templates, automation scripts, or pre-written outreach emails can also be a passive income stream that continues earning money even when you're not actively working. Long-term success in this space depends on staying ahead of the curve. AI is evolving rapidly, and businesses that embrace these technologies will have a huge advantage. Keep learning about the latest AI tools, experiment with new DeepSeek capabilities, and continuously improve your services to stay competitive. Engaging with online communities, attending AI webinars, and networking with other professionals in the space can help you stay informed and uncover new opportunities. At this point, you're no longer just freelancing. You're running a full-scale online business powered by AI. The journey starts with a simple outreach email and a small service offer, but by taking strategic steps to scale, automate, and diversify your income, you can create a sustainable and highly profitable business. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to replace your full-time income, this strategy offers unlimited potential. The most important thing is to take action, stay consistent, and keep pushing forward. With AI on your side, the opportunities are endless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Ashman Digital News so you never miss out on the latest tips and strategies to grow your online income. Let's keep learning, innovating, and making money with AI. See you in the next one.